Welcome back. In the digital world, data isn't just text, it's also raw binary data, like images, audio, or network packets. Python provides two sequence types for handling this, bytes and bytearray. We will explore how to create them and the crucial difference between them. 1. Creating bytes and bytearray. Both types can be created by prefixing a string literal with b or by using their respective constructor functions. Crucially, they store sequences of integers ranging from 0 to 255. The bytes literal starts with b. Note that when you index a bytes object, it returns the integer value of that byte, not a single character string. The bytearray is created using the constructor function. We typically use the encode method on a regular string before passing it. 2. Mutability difference. Since bytes are immutable, you cannot change individual elements. Bytearray, being mutable, allows you to change the value of any byte by assigning a new integer between 0 and 255. If you try to change a bytes object, Python will raise a type error. To summarize, use bytes for fixed, binary data and bytearray when you need to modify the binary data in place, such as manipulating a buffer or receiving stream data. We've learned the core sequential collection types. Next, we revisit the dictionary type in detail, focusing on its structure and use cases. Join me in Lecture 04.18. Dictionary.